The German economy was seen as the locomotive of world industry from the mid-2000s until 2017. Of stability, and it was a symbol of security. It achieved a strong growth momentum in the 2000s, during which unemployment rose from 12% to 6%. Declined. The economy grew by 128% as we calculate from 2001, reaching a value of $2 trillion. Economy reached $4.5 trillion. Exports doubled to $800 billion. It reached the size of $1.6 trillion from euro. Thus, it is the world's largest producer of current account surplus, specialized in industrial production. It became the third largest economy, Germany, but things have been going badly wrong for a few years. Country's largest industry, Bosch, one of its companies, announced that it will lay off more than 8,000 workers in the coming period. The 138-year-old Tyson Group, the country's largest iron and steel producing company, will lay off 11,000 workers by 2030. ZF, which supplies parts to automotive companies, will lay off 12,000 workers by 2030. The tire company Continental plans to remove 5,000 lights. The biggest blow is the German it came from the automotive giant in the apple of its eye, Volkswagen, which announced that it would close a factory for the first time in its history this year. Then they increased it to 3. With the recent strike in unions, this decision seems to have been shelved for now. But the companies, their profitability is gradually decreasing. And when we look at the general picture, Germany has not been growing significantly in the last 7 years, in the last 2 years. It is shrinking, and within the year, the central bank says that the possibility of shrinkage is on the table. All these economic crises turn into political. The coalition government has collapsed and Germany is going to a new election in February. Germany, a country that people look up to and envy for its stability, is on the brink of an economic crisis, and its industry is struggling. In the face of the energy crisis, in the face of China, in the face of the rising momentum of protectionism in the world, Germany has not been able to achieve its previous growth figures.